Jai Srimannarayana. 30th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yada bhuta pruthakbhavam ekastham anupasyati tatayeva cha विस्तारं ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा ॐ. You are seeing so many varieties of beings in this entire universe, but from now onwards start seeing that varieties only with the bodies but not with the souls who are there in those bodies. If you start practicing to see like this, soon you will attain the divine qualities what Parabrahma has. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall start practicing to see the varieties only with the bodies but not with the souls who are there in those bodies. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. శ్రీమద్భాగవతము దశమస్కంధము 10th స్కంధం 257th డే. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopikas does know about true form of Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is why they treat Krishna Paramatma as their own soul. Ho Parikshin Narendra, Samashrite ye Padapallavaplavam Mahat Padam Punya Yaso Murarehe भवां बुद्धिः वत्स पदं परं पदं 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 यद्विपदां न तेषां. శ్రీపతి పదమనునావను ప్రాపించి భవాబ్ధివత్స పదముగధీరుల్ రూపించి దాటి చేరుదురు ఆపత్పదరహితులగుచున్ అమృత పదంబున్. O Parikshit Narendra, in this world, great people, enlightened people, they reach out to Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine feet. That divine feet is like a boat which can help us to cross the ocean of samsaram. The great people, enlightened people are able to cross this samsaram, the ocean of samsaram, just like as if a small baby cow, whatever the size of the feet will be there, and how easy to cross that small feet, so also small distance, just like that, so easily great people are able to cross the ocean of samsaram because they are reaching out, they are surrendering to Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine feet. The great people, enlightened people are able to get rid of all the dangers. Every world is filled up with so many dangers. At every step there will be a danger. And great people are able to get rid of all the dangers of all the worlds and finally able to attain a place, a divine place, a supreme state which is called Sri Vaikunta Dhamam, in which there are no dangers at all. How are they able to reach there? Because they are able to do Sriman Narayana Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. They are able to reach out and they are able to surrender to divine feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma, Sriman Narayana's divine feet, and they are holding it as, they are believing it as the boat which can help them cross the ocean of samsaram. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 15th chapter 30th sloka. Yada bhuta pruthak-bhavam ekastham anupasyati tatayeva cha vistaram brahma sampadhyate tada. Yada bhuta pruthak-bhavam ekastham anupasyati tatayeva cha vistaram brahma sampadhyate tada. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.